Hi friends, this is Neeraj sir. The main object of uploading this video is to cover up doubts, queries, concerns raised by existing 12th standard students who have been promoted from 11th. I know it is little harsh to say that you have been promoted to 12th standard, but that is a fact. I don't want to discuss much more on what is going on as far as COVID pandemic is concerned. But because we are officially towards ending of 11th and you are already in 12th, there are a lot of concerns which are raised by you guys. I will discuss the 3 questions which are running in every student's mind in the first video. But in today's video, I will be discussing and addressing only first question raised by the students in detail. The first question is, we did not study much in 11th standard for the best known reasons to everyone. Then now when we are promoted to 12th, are we supposed to study for 11th standard in detail? That is the first question. Second question. If we did not study in 11th standard, then now when we are promoted to 12th, what is that selectively we have to study for 11th, and then how it is going to affect for 12th standard? Last. Now we are in 12th. So when is that we are going to start our 12th standard studies in detail? See, it's not rocket science. You may feel that I am exactly putting those questions which are running in your mind in front of you. It's not rocket science. Every day I am answering the same question. Okay. So that is the reason first time I ever thought that I will upload a video on the website. So whoever will visit the website will already get the things. You should be comfortable. First question. Sir, we have not studied for 11th standard. So are we supposed to now study in 12th standard for 11th standard? Answer is yes. So what are you saying? In 12th standard, we have to study 11th standard? Yeah. I never said you have to study entire 11th standard syllabus. You understand? Any which ways, commerce was a new thing for me. I understand that some of you might have done accounts, economics, etc. in your school, but that was at a very basic level. Most of you have not done bookkeeping and accountancy, economics, OC, etc. in their school and were supposed to study that last year. Now you understand these 3 subjects that I was just discussing and one more secretarial practice, which is an optional subject against mathematics. All are typical commerce subjects. If you have studied in 11th standard bookkeeping and accountancy, you will be also studying that in SYJC and throughout your chartered accountancy. Economics, what you did in 11th, you will have continuation in 12th. Same thing with organization of commerce and same thing with secretarial practice. So you understand, if 11th base is not there, we would struggle in 12th. And not only in 12th, otherwise also in commerce future years. So now what is to be done? That is where shares classes comes into the picture. My planning, my last 20 years experience will come in the future. At Shesh classes, we are going to commence your 12 standard lectures. Your 12 standard lectures somewhere from 1st or 2nd of May. I will upload the timetable, details will be given. However, first 15 to 20 days, we will be only teaching 11 standard certain subjects, topics, subtopics in detail, so that your base is formed firmly. Now you may ask me, sir, give us details as to what. See, that is not what you are supposed to know right now, but I can give you complete assurance that at Shesh classes, we would not start anything related to 12 standard unless your base of 11 is created very firmly. You don't have to worry about it. Yes, please understand. In 20 days, Shesh classes, or koi. I am not claiming that we will be covering up entire 11 standard syllabus, not at all. But what is relevant, that will not be just touch and go. It will be taught to you. You will be asked to do practice in detail. That is my assurance. Complete assurance. That's all what I cover up in this video. First question, we did not study in 11th. Commerce is the first year, and now we are going in 12th. So are we supposed to study in 12th standard or 11th standard? I think I have completely made you understand. The second video will be uploaded by tomorrow. It will address the second question and third question. Thank you so much for hearing me patiently. I hope I achieved the object of making you understand as to how we plan for your future. Thank you so much. See you soon.